My biggest motivation is my mom and dad, sir.
Okay.
I always see them struggling from my studies in first class only. I always see them struggling from my first class to 10th class, then inter, then also in degree. I have seen them while struggling. Then I decided I have to struggle for 1 year, at least 1 year. They have struggling for 20 years till my birth. Then I have decided to struggle for at least 1 year. Then I decided to achieve it definitely, and I decided to crack it. The GPAT and IPAS.
Hello everyone, welcome back to GDC classes. As you all know, the result for the Gpat are out. Now, the legacy of GDC is maintained by its GDCians. Here we are having KIRAN Kumar, who have secured All India rank 45 in this Gpat examination 2025. So Kiran, first of all, congratulations for your result.
Thank you so much.
And now, after seeing the 2-digit rank in the top 50, how was the feel at that time, at that moment? What was the feel?
I feel very, very happy, sir. I was first shared these news to my mom. She also very happy, sir. Then I shared to my sir, Balu sir. He's also very, very happy.
Okay.
I feel very.
So Kiran, my first question.
Yes, sir.
From seeing an interview
Yes, sir.
and now giving an interview, how was the journey between these two things?
Yes, sir. I feel it's very struggle, sir. During preparation, I feel very, very awkward, very depressed, and very feel sad. But after getting result, I I didn't remember how my journey was.
Okay.
I
Now
feel
we
very
just
happy.
want to remember the happy things, the good things that we have faced. We don't want to
Yes,
discuss
sir.
about the struggles, but I am going only to the struggles. Now I'm asking you about the struggles. What is the biggest challenges that aspirants have to face when he or she is engaged in the preparation of these kind of examinations? The biggest challenges and how Kiran have overcome those challenges.
So the biggest challenge is about marks, sir. In the marks, so many people are getting below 200, below 100 also. I evenly got 120, 130 at my preparation. I feel very, very sad and depressed on that days. And my friend got 350, 400 also. I feel very, very depressed on those days because I'm also struggling same like that. I'm also revising, I'm also studying, I'm also seeing videos, I'm also following lectures, but I didn't get that much marks of our friends. Then I decided to stop the preparation, but I again decided to start it again. I revised, and I got 326 marks in GPAT, and my friend got 280 marks in GPAT.
Okay. So the friend that were getting marks in 350, 400, and the
Yes,
person that is scoring just 130, 140. Now
yes,
see
sir.
the dedication, the focus that the Kiran have. Now Kiran scored more than 350, and the student that who was scoring 350 is now having just 280 marks. So Kiran, it's a big achievement. I guess like getting in the top 50. It's a
Yes, sir.
achievement, and it's a dream for various of the students. Like many students who is basically starting the preparation. This is the
Yes,
dream
sir.
rank for them. So,
Definitely.
Kiran, I just
Yes, sir.
wanted to know about what is the secret of your success. Like we have seen, like yes, it's a challenging the demotivation. Like marks, when you are getting marks lower, it makes you demotivated. But
Yes,
what
sir.
was the biggest motivation that you are always having? The self motivation, the self dedication. Like no, I have to do this. So, what was the biggest thing that Kiran has inside him?
My biggest motivation is my mom and dad, sir.
Okay.
I always see them struggling from my studies in first class only. I always see them struggling from my first class to 10th class, then inter, then also in degree. I have seen them while struggling. Then I decided I have to struggle for 1 year, at least 1 year. They have struggling for 20 years till my birth. Then I have decided to struggle for at least 1 year. Then I decided to achieve it definitely, and I decided to crack it. The GPAT and IPAS.
I guess it's the biggest thing that you have like just said. The motivation, the biggest motivation in anyone's life is just like seeing mom and dad. Like like just you said, like he or she has a struggle for 20 to 25 years,
Yes,
and
sir.
we just have to struggle for some time to make
Right.
them happy by our result. Like this time only we have just like we have to produce that result. The
Yes,
result
sir.
will give them motivation, like yes, my child has done something good,
Yes, sir.
and like yes, Kiran has did that thing, and make her proud parents, I can say.
Yes,
Kiran,
sir. Yes,
just
sir.
two things I want to know.
Yes,
What
sir.
are the biggest things that our aspirants faces and he or she quits its preparation? The one thing that you have said, like, yes, the marks, the lower marks makes one of the students like, yes, I don't want to carry it on, like I'm giving up. But what are the two things like he or she faces in his life in this preparation journey and stops this preparation of the GPAT or NIPER examinations?
Yes, sir. I have recognized a thing that if I studied a topic, and I revised it once, if I make the notes and giving a test, I got full marks, sir. Then after 10 days, I again give the test, I got 50% marks, 70% marks. Then I got very depressed, sir. I read it, I revised, and I did test. I got 100% marks. But after 10 days, I got only 70%, 50%. Then I feel, am I not am I not able to remember the things? Am I not worth for the studies? That feel very bad, sir. Then I revised it twice, thrice, four times, five times. Then I got 100% marks. So
Okay.
only one thing I need to say that please revise. If you didn't get marks, then revise well. If you didn't get marks, then revise until you get good marks.
So I guess
Yes, sir.
revision is the biggest thing
Yes,
that a
yes,
aspirant should have to practice during his preparation or her preparation for a
yes,
successful rank. Okay,
yes, sir.
Kiran,
Yes, sir.
how do you score like the GDC? How do you rate GDC about your preparation? Like classes, the teachers, the like prime course you have opted for the prime course. So
Yes,
how
sir.
was your journey with the GDC? Explain
Yes, sir.
in short and simple.
Yes, sir. It has been controversial, but I need to say I honestly rate 9.5 for classes and 10 out of 10 for the marathon, sir.
Okay.
That's it.
So the classes 9.5 and the marathons 10. Okay.
10 out of 10.
Why marathon that much full marks?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Due to some circumstances, some college issues, I didn't participate in the lecture, sir. I evenly missed 3 to 4 lectures per a week, but I didn't miss the marathon, sir.
Okay.
During the marathons, I prepared a notes, like key points, that much notes, and it's more necessary rather than using the lectures daily, and it mean more for it, sir.
Okay. Preparing with the questions, the I guess the topic become more easy.
More
And
easy to
with the
understand.
topic, how many kind or how many type of question can be formed, it
Yes,
only
sir.
explains when we are actually practicing the questions. So
Yes,
I
sir.
guess the question practice is very, very important during
Very,
this
very
kind of
important.
preparations. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So Kiran,
Yes,
when you
sir.
have started preparing for the MCQs, like
Yes,
you
sir.
are studying, you are making notes, you are having modules, you are reading. Now, when do you have started the practicing of questions?
Sir, I have started it in third year only. I've
Okay.
started third year only. In on that days they give model paper, top 50 model papers, like model paper one, model paper two. On that days also I started and I joined GDC Telegram channel.
Okay.
There daily MCQs are uploaded in the Telegram channel. I usually make in a free time. I use it to review the questions and answer the questions in the Telegram channel only. And that on weekends I will give week tests.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So, what do you think? How much important are these test series or question practicing is during the preparation of these kind of examination, and how these questions actually improve the concepts of any topic by practicing the questions?
Yes, sir. I can give percentage for the preparation. I can give 25% for the reading, 25% for the revision, and 50% for the MCQ, sir.
Okay. So the revisions are most important thing. Questions practice is the second, I can say. And yes, the readings are the third one.
Yes, sir.
All right. So, Kiran, thank you so much for joining with us and sharing your experience with the
Thanks.
juniors.
Yes, sir.
Just one question again, like,
Yes, sir.
what do you think you want
Yes,
to
sir.
tell your juniors about these examinations to how they tackle these kind of preparations?
Yes, sir. Only one thing is about to say mentally you need to fix to crack the GPAT, and
Okay.
mentally you need to prepare for the revision, and mentally you need to prepare for the struggle, and you need to prepare what the GDC classes say, what the teachers say. You need to mentally prepare. I need to follow each and every lecture and marathons and MCQs. That will help you mostly. You need to crack around under 50 by
Okay.
marathons only, without any lectures, without any courses. Only marathons you are able to crack under 50. I can assure it, sir.
All right. Thank you so much, Kiran. for
Thank you so
joining
much.
with us. I
Yes,
hope
sir.
this interview will be continued in the felicitation as well when we are going to meet in the physical. And
Yes,
thank you
sir.
so much. And hope you
Thank you,
all
sir.
you perform very well in your other examinations of your life. Thank you so much for joining with us, and
Thank you.
wishing you all the very best for your future.
Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you, sir.